Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. So today's video is going to be very different from any other videos that I put out because we are going to be comparing a luxury brand versus an affordable brand. So the main reason I want to do this video because I feel like a lot of people are confused when it comes to what exactly is a luxury brand. Is it the prices that make it luxury? Is it the quality that makes it luxury? Or is it the feel that makes it luxury? So we're going to take a look into that with the case study I'm going to do. So the case study I'm going to be doing is going to be Kendra's Boutique, which is a more high-end luxury virgin hairline versus another virgin hairline, which is Love Me Hair. The first thing we're going to do is pull up their social media pages. So as you can see with Love Me Hair, it gives you more of the girl next door feel. So when I'm looking at their page, I see that they're selling hair. So they're showing you different hairstyles. Most of the pictures are close up and it looks like, okay, the girl can be your neighbor, your local small YouTuber, like any of those things when you're looking at the page. Versus when you go over to Kendra's Boutique. So Kendra's Boutique, one thing you notice right away is they have celebrities, they have the biggest hair influencers, and they're selling you a lifestyle. So they don't have a lot of the close-up hair pictures, hair tutorials. They're selling you like, okay, this model here, she's showing you her nice car, the way she looks in it, her hair is flowing. They're showing you the nice outfits. Most of their models have bought bodies. So this is giving you more of a upscale type feel. Like, okay, if I get this hair, I'm going to feel just like this. I'm going to be all that. So let's compare the way each brand makes you feel. So if you get Love Me Hair, just by looking at the pictures, it tells you, okay, you're going to have a cute hairstyle. You're going to be ready to go. Like if you're going to school, if you're going out, like your hair is just going to be cute. Kendra's Boutique over here, when you look at their hair, it makes you feel like, okay, I'm going to the club. I'm going to get a new car. I'm going to buy something expensive. Like it just gives you that star power feel. Like when I get this hair, I'm finna be all that. So the next thing we're going to take a look at is the price. So when you go to Love Me Hair, their social media page, like it's already giving you a discount. Like already letting you know that the hair is very affordable. You can take this amount off. And then when you go to the website, boom, more discounts. And even the feel of the website. And we're going to take a look at some of the products. So as you can see, like just starting off by looking at the website has, even when you go to it, it has more of a, like even I'll say, even though it's affordable, like to me, the website looks more cheap the way the products are set up versus when you come over here to Kendra's Boutique's, her website. So one thing you notice right away is that they're not advertising sales. You can sign up for their email list, but it's not just something popping out screaming sale, sale, sale. It's when you go to her website, you see this picture of her and you're like, okay, I want this exact look. I need to look luxurious just like this. And then you click the different prices. Okay, so no matter what I get, basically starting off is going to be $90. Whether I get short, whether I get medium length hair, however you want to call it, it's going to be $90. And then if you go down to 2 bundles, like everything is set up to where it's like, okay, normal virgin hair, I'll say for a 12-inch, most of the prices I've seen is between $50 to $70 for a 12-inch, and hers is automatically $90. So one thing I want to say about the Kendra's Boutique website is that you know a professional designed her website. It's not all put together. The brand is very well intact. It looks luxury. It looks nice versus the Love Me Hair brand. It looks like they just threw the products on there. It's like, you know, once you go to Love Me Hair, you're just going there straight for the hair. And we're going to take a look into see what exactly is sold out. And I'm pointing this out. People, if you're on my channel, it's probably for hair. So we're going to talk about the incident that happened with the Nicki Minaj's hairstylist, Arrogant Tay, and with the other hairstylist, Jonathan. So one thing Arrogant Tay said about Nicki Minaj's hair is that she likes to get a certain wig from a certain company because she loves the way it fits. And if you're thinking like anyone else, like any common person, you want to know where Nicki Minaj is getting her wigs from that has the perfect fit. Arrogant Tay didn't say the name. So when Nikki went and got her hair done by Jonathan, Jonathan tagged Nikki along with the hair company, which was Kendra's Boutique, with the full lace wig that she had on. And one thing, right after Jonathan posted those full lace wigs, as you can see on Kendra's Boutique, every single wig is sold out at a $500 point. Like $500 is the cheapest for her wigs, and everything is sold out. And that tells you a lot about, one, influencer marketing, choosing the right marketing for your luxury brand. Because with Love Me Hair, we see that they pretty much have everything in stock. Everything in stock. They don't have any huge influencers. Like, it doesn't scream luxury versus with Kendra's Boutique. If you want to have the hair that Nicki Minaj has is with the perfect fit, you need to go to Kendra's Boutique. And as you can see, everyone who found out, they went over there. They didn't care about the price. They knew that this was luxury hair because Nicki Minaj wears it. And that is the type of feel you want. Well, actually, I wouldn't even say that's the type of feel you want your brand to have. You want your brand to sell out. But one of the things I want to say is that when you're building your brand and choosing between affordable and luxury, if you're going to put all the time, energy into your brand as far as the marketing, influencer marketing, the feel of it, if you want to have a luxury brand, you need to take into consideration all of it. Because I know I've been seeing a lot of people say they have a luxury brand because their products are good. But then when you go to their page, it looks more like Girl Next Door. Which, when you think of a luxury brand, you don't think of sales. You don't think of something that looks cheap. You don't think of do it yourself. You want to make sure when you have a luxury brand, you're thinking Dior quality. You're thinking Gucci. You're thinking something that's high quality. Like, regardless of what people say about Kendra's Boutique hair, when you go to her page, you feel a certain type of way. It's no way around it. So that's what I want to say about building a luxury versus affordable brand. And also, one thing I want to say about, you can't say that you have a luxury brand, but you're doing everything yourself and you're at a beginner's level. Like, to have a luxury brand, you need to invest in your business on a whole new level. Like, your prices need to line up with being luxury. You can't go to a Mercedes for a luxury vehicle and expect to get Kia prices. That is just not how it works. So when you think about building your brands, that is another thing you need to consider. And also building out your social media pages. You want to make sure it has the right feel for a luxury brand, even if it's just posting. Like, I noticed with another luxury hair company, I can't think of the name right away, but they have all the high quality influencers. Like, if you want hair like Beyonce's, you want hair like Jackie Aina's, you want to make sure you portray that on your page. And when I click the website, I need to make sure that the price lines up with the price that Beyonce is going to pay. Because I know Beyonce is not going to be wearing Love Me hair. So that's some other things you want to consider. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and it helps you get a more clear understanding of luxury versus affordable branding. So when it comes time for you to choose however you want to brand your business, you have a clear indication of where you want to be along the lines. And it's okay to be in the middle. But once you're in the middle, you can't say like, I provide luxury at affordable prices. Like, it just doesn't make sense. You're not going to get luxury at affordable prices. Like, it's nice to say, which I see a lot of people say, is you're either or. You're either luxury or you're not. You're either affordable or you're not. So I want to say, just make sure you're being very clear with your audience. Make sure everything lines up the way it's supposed to. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below. And also answer this for me. Let me know if you have a luxury or an affordable brand, and drop your website in the comment sections for us below. And if you want to follow me on social media pages, for my personal page, it's I Am Destiny Adams on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, pretty much everything. And then for my business page, which is The Traveling Hair Boss, it is The Traveling Hair Boss on Facebook. Yeah, we just on Facebook and Instagram. And then my hair page is Destiny Hair Collection. And also, I can't let you forget about my shirt, which is My Grind is Pandemic Proof. So if you want one of these or want additional resources with your business, head over to IamDestinyAdams.com and check us out. And thank you so much for watching this video.